Hello everyone, this is Joel from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Lelit Bianca with us in the shop. And I came in for leaking into the drip tray, constantly coming from behind your E61 valve. This usually could be one of three things. The OPV, which is located on your solenoid assembly, left side of the machine, kind of where the water tank's at right now. Also, your vacuum release valve and your boiler safety valve, which are located on the top of your steam boiler. This time around, it was the boiler safety valve, and we did replace it, and the leaking has stopped. And then also we did a tune-up on the machine where we descaled both sides of the boiler, the steam boiler and then the brew boiler, descaled your E61 group head, descaled your steam on and your hot water tap, and just try to get as much scale out as possible. We also did back flush the machine, deep clean the group head of all built up coffee, and also replace the gasket and the shower screen. So we're going to quickly just brew a shot here. Don't worry if this runs a little too slow or a little too fast. We don't calibrate our grinders to our machines. So whatever comes out is what we're dealing with. That looks like a good shot. We're going to get it to 9 bars by opening this valve and then slowly pulling it back to, kind of dance around at 9 bars. Make sure we're staying on point. There we go. And we're just going to let it brew. Looking pretty good. Around 30 seconds, I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to also start running the steam one just to test it out. Beautiful steam power. This one has a 4-hole steam one, which I believe is an option for these machines. If you buy a newer model, you can get it with a full steam on tap and also the hot water tap. You're going to hear that pump kick on to refill the steam boiler. And that's about it for this video. If you like this repair or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.